Should I buy an Ethereum? This is the question in vogue. It is a question most of us has had at least once in our lives because cryptocurrencies have captured our attention and refuse to let go. Just like air and microorganisms, cryptocurrency is ubiquitous. No matter where you go, you can't avoid hearing about them. Ethereum is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies in the world. It's discussed on TV, the internet, at work, and in shops all around the world. In this crypto-crazed world, you can't help but ask yourself, should I buy Ethereum or some other cryptocurrency? So, you might need to stay till the end of this video to get a deep insight into why you should be careful with Ethereum. Not just that, hit the like and subscribe button for good luck in the cryptocurrency market. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is one of the biggest players in the cryptocurrency market. It's a blockchain platform. Ethereum generates the second most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, Ether. Ethereum is not actually a cryptocurrency. It's a global computing network for decentralized apps, or dApps. Ether is a cryptocurrency that powers the Ethereum network and is the required form of payment for space on the Ethereum blockchain. While Bitcoin is really good as a store of value, Ethereum is equally capable of that, and so much more. Ether has been competing with Bitcoin for the top spot since its release in 2015 and came close to overtaking it in February 2018. Both of these coins have hit new all-time highs since then, and there appears to be more room for both to grow in 2021. Some experts predict Ethereum will flip Bitcoin this market cycle and become the dominant blockchain and cryptocurrency by market cap. One thing is certain, the cryptocurrency market is much more volatile than the stock market. If you're particularly risk-averse, this might not be the market for you. But if you're a diamond-handed investor who won't lose sight over short-term losses, Ethereum may be a good investment for you. Blockchain technology has many other applications that go beyond digital currencies. In fact, Bitcoin is only one of several hundred applications that use blockchain technology today. Until recently, building blockchain applications required a background in coding, cryptography, and mathematics, as well as significant time and resources. But now, previously unimagined applications are being developed and deployed faster than ever. Ethereum is making this possible by providing developers with the tools to build decentralized applications. At its simplest, Ethereum is an open software platform based on blockchain technology that enables developers to build and deploy decentralized applications as a theory similar to Bitcoin, sort of, but not really like Bitcoin. Ethereum is a distributed public blockchain network, although there are some significant technical differences between the two. The most important distinction is that Bitcoin and Ethereum have different purposes and capabilities. Bitcoin offers peer-to-peer electronic cash system that enables online payments. Ethereum focuses on running code for any decentralized application that's deployed on its network. On the Ethereum blockchain, Ether is the cryptocurrency that fuels the network, Ether as a currency like Bitcoin. But it's also used by people in the network to pay for code execution. So what kind of code is being executed? An application that can facilitate the exchange of money, content, property shares, or anything of value. Users send Ether to interact with the self-operating computer programs, and they will run exactly as coded without any possibility of censorship, downtime, fraud, or interference. Ethereum is a speculative investment. Like any speculative investment, you might lose your money. The overwhelming performance of Ethereum has attracted traditional and institutional investors alike. Ethereum provides you with the following advantages over traditional investments, and as a beginner, I think the advantages should help you make a better decision. Volatility. While this was previously seen as a negative, smarter investors have realized market cycle patterns and were able to capitalize on the parabolic gains produced by market bubbles. Liquidity. Ethereum is arguably one of the most liquid investment assets due to the worldwide establishment of trading platforms, exchanges, and online brokerages. You can easily trade Ethereum for cash or assets like gold instantly with incredibly low fees. The high liquidity associated with Bitcoin makes it a great investment vessel if you're looking for short-term profits. Digital currencies may also be a long-term investment due to their high market demand. Lower inflation risk. Unlike world currencies which are regulated by governments, Ethereum has a transparent inflation plan that is subject to less meddling. The blockchain system is infinite, and there's no need to worry about your crypto being deflated. Decentralized finance. Ethereum and DeFi are relatively young. NFTs and other new applications are becoming more mainstream on a daily basis. This newness brings unpredictable swings in price and volatility, which may create opportunities for massive gains. Alright, let's take a short break to cool the heated atmosphere, shall we? A man walks into a furniture shop. If I order that white sofa and pay with Bitcoin, can I get it delivered today? Yes, sir, but we wait for 3 confirmations. So the man says, I definitely want to order the sofa. I definitely want to order the sofa. I definitely want to order a sofa. Why you need to be careful with Ethereum. We've seen a lot of stuff actually explode over the past few days. You know, Ethereum has hit a brand new all-time high recently. It's been on a tear lately, and lots of other altcoins are following suit. To begin with, let's talk about what's happening with the cryptocurrency prices over the past several days and talk about why it's really important to exercise caution right now, especially for beginners who are entering into this space because it's really easy to jump in here, and because you have a friend who has been on a tear lately, then you think it's a perfect time for you to get in that too. This video is not to tell you to buy Ethereum or sell it, but to tread with caution because most times when the majority see the price fluctuate a bit, they see it as a signal to buy or sell. But that's usually the opposite of the case, and a lot of times that everybody's feeling optimistic and bullish in the crypto markets. Like, that's what I sense the market sentiment is right now. Sometimes that can be a really important time to take a step back and say, maybe I should think about this and do the exact opposite of what everyone else is doing. I'm not saying that's exactly what would happen. I'm not saying the crypto markets are going to crash or anything. The whole point is to be cautious, okay? All successful individuals I know have gotten really successful in crypto are still cautious. I understand you want to be a risk taker. Yes, you have to take risks in order to succeed, but always have a very healthy dose of caution because crypto is volatile, and you know, whatever goes up surely must come down. It's the law of gravity, but hey, that doesn't mean anything but to be cautious. Ethereum may play a part in the future of monetary exchange and global computing systems, but it is equally important that you are aware of the concerns surrounding it. Volatility. If you happen to buy Bitcoin on December 17, 2017, the price was $20,000. Weeks later, you couldn't sell your investment for more than $7,051. Although you would be doing great now, to avoid painful losses in the short term, keep a close eye on the market. New regulation. The government is unlikely to let cryptocurrencies remain unregulated for long. New regulations could interfere with business models and cause crashes that are entirely out of your control. The threat of online hacking. Hacks are a threat facing many cryptocurrency investors. Most exchanges let you buy and sell your cryptocurrencies using a mobile app or website. However, many users also store their crypto on exchange wallets. This leaves them susceptible to losing their investment should the exchange get hacked and their private keys being stolen. Cryptocurrency held on the most exchanges isn't insured by the FDIC. How good are you at puns? Let's find out. What's the one currency Superman can't hold? If you didn't get that, the answer is cryptocurrency. Beginners and even professional traders need to understand that the crypto market is for strong-minded people and those who have the patience to wait for a long time. But I see this happen to a lot of beginners. They buy after something amazing happened, and then before you know it, the price falls. And even if this price continues to go up after that, many of them get scared and sell and then lose money. Also, when the prices keep falling, they get scared of loss and sell to minimize, and boom, the price will skyrocket. So if you're looking for strategies to help with that, then you might find this video helpful, but that is not a guarantee. You can buy in small increments over time. Most cryptocurrency sales happen for investment reasons. There's a good chance that you have heard stories about people who jumped on the Bitcoin train early and became millionaires at 19. Before you decide to try it for yourself, and while you're still asking, should I invest in Ethereum or some other cryptocurrency? Pay attention to this part of the video. You can try the short-term investment. What is short-term investing? Short-term investing, or flipping, is the act of buying something and hoping to sell it soon for a profit. It's an exciting activity. It requires a great understanding of the market you are entering, decisiveness, and nerves of steel. The cryptocurrency market is very volatile. It means that prices change quickly, often by significant amounts. A great short-term investor can make a lot of money quickly, or lose a lot of money quickly. Let's return to the question, should I invest in Ethereum? Is Ethereum a worthwhile short-term investment? Yes, it is, if you can get the timing right. Then, let's move to long-term investment. What is long-term investing? Long-term investing is like its short-term cousin. The difference is that it's all about long-term profit. Long-term investing requires careful research because the scale of your investment is usually much bigger. This kind of investment also requires even more nerve. It's much harder to watch your chosen cryptocurrency prices fall, holding on to them for weeks, months, or even years. You have more to lose and more to gain investing long-term as well. At the moment, the hot Ethereum debate revolves around the coin's long-term prospects. The question you should be asking yourself now is, should I invest in Ethereum long-term? The answer depends on what you believe after doing some extra research on the web. Some people say that Ether's price may reach $0 for the first time, while some claim it will recover. Some analysts even predict that Ethereum price could rise to $1,000 by the end of the year as developers improve the platform and solve some of its scaling issues. If you believe in Ethereum's future, investing long-term into this coin now may be something you would like to do. If you do not believe, do not invest. It's that simple. Even the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, summed up his investment strategy like this: it's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Warren Buffett also favors long-term investment opportunities, saying, only buy something that you'd be perfectly happy to hold if the market shut down for 10 years. That will be all for today, but you can move down to the comments section to tell us what you think about Ethereum. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.